So here is this. So now I've actually gone by. So now that I have bought USDT via the P2P wallet. If you don't know how to use P2P, I'm going to drop a video in the comment section, and then you use it to learn how to buy successfully via P2P. Okay, so the next thing is you transfer the USDT to Unified Trading and convert it to BNB chain. Okay, if you look at it right now, you'll see. So if we look at it right now, we'll see that the money is already existing in BNB. So the next thing we want to do is we want to transfer it from Unified Trading to Funding Wallet, because that's the only way you could move it out of this platform. Then I'm going to go into Trust Wallet to copy the address. Okay, I'm not using that wallet, so I'm using this particular one right here. So I'm going to copy my smart chain address. Copied it, then I'll come here, I'll click on withdraw, then choose BNB, then I'm going to paste in the address, click here, choose BNB, maxed out, click on withdraw, then withdraw. A code will be sent to my email, so I have to go through to email. Okay, here it is. I copy the code, then paste it, then copy the authenticator. Okay, this one is almost over. Copy the new one, paste it right in, confirm, and boom, the BNB has gone to our Trust wallet. So the next thing is to the particular coin that I want to swap is called TACC. So I'm actually swapping this coin for someone. Okay, so now this is the coin that we want to swap. All right, so now we are going to get the contract address. So click on about, we'll click on contract, and we'll copy the contract address. Then we'll go into our Trust wallet. By now the BNB has arrived. Okay, now that's always the case if you are in Nigeria and you're using the Glo network. Some network providers does not really support. So there we go. Look at it displayed right there on our Trust wallet. The amount is right here. So now we've copied contract ID. So we'll go to discover. Then we'll go to DEX. We'll click on pancakeswap, because the coin that we want to buy is actually on pancakeswap, decentralized exchange. Then we'll click here to connect wallet, connect Trust wallet, and boom, our wallet is actually connected. So we are swapping from BNB. Now we have to paste the contract address of the coin right here, import it. Understood? Import. Okay, there it is. So now we're going to enter max. Click on max. So we'll let this is the quantity we are going to get. Now it's always in good to remove the last digit. You enter the value in the coin that you want to buy. Let me put 8 instead. This should work. Okay, look at that adjustment now. It gives me the opportunity to swap. But before I swap, I have to make sure that I actually have my slippage set at the barest minimum. Okay, transaction may fail. Let me put 0.5. 0.5 is fair. It's fair enough. Or let's make it something 0.15. Yes. So the more the slippage, the more that one is charged. Then I'll click on swap, continue to swap, and then it will bring up a confirmation screen. I'll complete, send, and it's coming up. Boom, I've successfully swapped it. So now if we refresh our wallet, BNB has gone out, but the coin that we swapped, look at it right there, the name is the 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗔𝗥𝗓𝗔 community coin or something like that.